Suppose your Samsung phone has stopped turning on and you want to get into the boot menu so that you can reset it. Here I have an example phone. It's a Samsung S6. I'll put down all the different ways to reset the different Samsung phones. So if you have a different phone, just refer to that one. On the phone here, it's off at the moment and it's charged. So it's very important that you charge it. Hold on to the top volume up button and the home button. Home, volume up. Now, on this side, you'll see the power button. Slide your hand down so that you connect to the on button. Once you see that, let go of everything. So it will start to load the screen. So I'll do everything in real time so you can see. So sometimes you'll see this one, it says no command. If you see that, just wait a little bit and the menu should come up. And you'll see the menu here. Then you see this menu here, and you can actually select the options by pressing the down button to go down and the volume up button to go up. At this point, if your phone wasn't going into the Android system, you can do a reboot. So the select button is the power button. So press that and it'll reboot. But if you've tried that already and it doesn't work, you can try a factory reset. That means that everything is going to get wiped. So make sure that you're okay with that. Scroll down till you get to factory reset. And then press the power button like this. And it will ask you, are you sure you want a factory reset? Well, you select yes. I'm going to say no. This is my phone I still use. So let's do a restart. And that should boot up the operating system. Any questions, just leave it down below. If you have other phones that you want me to show you how to reset, let me know and I'll put it in the description.